Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. In this session, we create a charming watercolor family portrait. This exercise will help you practice painting clothing, pattern, and adding character to your figures, while keeping the process loose and enjoyable. Let's start. For sketching the figures, begin with simple shapes: oval for the heads, vertical line for the body posture, and basic outline for the outfits. We'll start with the skin tones. Mix a light peachy color using a blend of red, yellow, and lots of water to keep it transparent. Apply a soft wash over the face, allowing some area to stay lighter for natural highlights. Once it's dry, you can add subtle shadows under the chin and around the side of the face to create depth. To paint the dog, start with a light brown wash to establish the fur, then build up the texture with darker tone. Use small stroke to mimic the softness of the fur, and don't forget to add a cute details like a red collar to complete the look. Each person in this painting has a unique outfit. Let's add life to their clothing. The woman's dress features a soft floral pattern. To paint pattern, use a light base wash first, then carefully layer the design with a small brush. The man's shirt has a bold checker design. And the child's striped sweater adds a playful touch. Keep the colors soft so they blend well together. When painting hair, use following brush strokes to create a natural soft look. The woman's wavy hair, the man's short curl, and the child's hair, they all have different texture, so adjust your brush technique accordingly. Time for final details and shadows. To bring everything together, add soft shadows under their feet to ground the figures. You can also darken certain area, like the folds of clothing or the hairline. This exercise is a great way to practice storytelling thoughts art, capturing emotions and connections with simple yet expressive brushstroke. Don't be afraid to personalize your painting. Maybe change up the clothing colors or add little details that make it unique for you. For facial features, keep it minimal. Simple dots or line for eyes and the soft curve for the mouth. The goal is to keep illustration light and funny. To create depth, a few final touches such as defining glasses or deepening the eyes will make the portrait come to life. And there you have it, a heartwarming family portrait in watercolor. Keep practicing and most importantly, have fun with your watercolor journey. Thank you and see you later.